Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Pururam. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
In 2008, when I became the block president of BJP, I was about to contest ZB election. So that was all political vendetta. My hotel is outside CRZ, which I spoke from that time till today. And CZMP has clearly shown us 50 meters away. Anybody would understand that it is 2 meters, 3 meters, 5 meters, 10 meters, 50 meters away. 50 मीटर फुडें आमचें हॉटेल आहा. आतां आमच्या फुडल्यान ग्राउंड +6 आहा. आमी CRZ ना जाल्यार ती पयलीं मोडटली आसली. So this was a political vendetta case, and that time, since the order was passed against me during that time, so our hotel was demolished. That 38 rooms, 35 rooms, one wing. The remaining wings are there. We are running the hotel now. At the same place, I have to build more. So it is nothing but debris of that hotel had to be put somewhere else. So it is environmental degradation. So this matter which was there, Honorable Court has seen all the sequences, and the matter why we were accused is whether we got any benefit that I am in CRZ. No, because I am out of CRZ. So that was purely shown to the court, and I am very thankful to the Honorable Court, and we believe in justice. The case which was filed then is FIR which was filed when I was in opposition in 2009 when I was Zilla Panchayat member. It is acquitted today, and I am happy.